And I'm the CEO of Divine Beauty Headquarters. So this is actually my first voice video, and I was actually coming to you with an unboxing, but unfortunately I had already opened my Dymo machine. This is a label machine maker, which I needed very badly. One of the things you're going to need is to label some items if need be, like your lashes, maybe lip gloss. Haven't tried it yet. It's going to be my first time trying it. Oh, you know what? So, hold on. I left my rest of my batteries somewhere. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Have to go get my other two batteries. So, this machine does take 4 AA batteries. And we have to put the tape in here. Now it did come with the white tape, but I went ahead and purchased the translucent clear tape. This is what it looks like. If you don't want to use the clear tape and you have something like your lashes, this would be a good thing to use. So we're going to test this out to see how it is. I did buy 4 of them. It was like $3.49. I purchased the machine and the tape at Walmart. I don't even remember how much that my label was. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, place this in, and get the pop in. So I do work third shift, y'all, so a lot of my stuff I was doing at work. I am in the process of revamping some items on my website. Let me see, am I supposed to? I don't know, we're going to test this out, y'all. Y'all just going to be testing this right along with me. Okay. This don't, it's in there, right? Okay, so it goes in like that. Oh, okay. Make sure you snap it down there because I don't know what just happened, but I didn't have it in there right. Then you close this down, and it should be, I don't know, is this supposed to be like this? It seems like it should be snapping down or something. I don't know, we're going to see. Let me go ahead. Oh, okay. Turn, I don't know if y'all can see it. It is on now, though. I did turn it on. So I was saying I was revamping a few things. So I went ahead and renamed some of my lashes. I didn't have my journal with me, so I ended up having to make me a list. Just type it out. So I'll just transfer everything over to my notebook. But I did rename everything. This is what my lash box look like. This is style 13, which I named her Royalty. This is the inside of my lash box. And of course, I had to have a saying, your beauty is one of a kind, CEO Monica M. Mitchell. This is a good storage box. You can tie this part up how you like it. And that's that. So I'm thinking that I'm going to put the name of the lash right here. That seems like it's a good spot for it. Instead, I don't want it on the front part because the design is stuff. So I think this part right here is where I'm going to place it. Of course, we have the Lash 13 style. Her name is Royalty. And there she is. Isn't she gorgeous? Just gorgeous. So, let's see. Let's get to playing around with this machine. Okay. So again, we have style 13. And let's see. Oh, wait. I don't know. I seen something on there and it looked. Yes. Okay, so you can save all your stuff on here. So let me just play around with it. Okay, there it is. There it is. Okay. Okay, y'all. So, oh, did I just do that? How do you? Okay, again, it's my first time ever using this thing because I'm a computer person, y'all. So I have Royalty typed in all capitals. If you could, I'm not sure if you can really see it, but it's typed in all capitals. Now settings, preview. Dang, I should have did all that before. Oh no, it's fine. So you can change your formatting on here if you like, your size. And I think I'm going to, oh, you can, I don't think you're going to be able to, I wouldn't try to do all that with the clear tape. But I guess we could test that out later on. I just don't need all that right now. Not for my lashes. There's already stuff on it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a tester and print. Yes, baby. It's working. Yes. So, it's printing on your side. So, here it is right here. And what you want to do is go ahead and hit this side button. This is the side button right here. And this should be the cutoff. And it comes off just like that. Oh, wait, is it? Yeah. So, excuse my nails are kind of long, so I'm going to try to get this. Okay, let's see. Oh. Don't mind me, y'all. This is why. How does it? Like, it wants to come off, but it's. See, this is why I don't like stuff like this because I like to get it. And I'm probably. It looks like. Oh, duh, Monica. So, the back has a cutoff part where you can just get it. I mean, rip it off like that. Of course, you want to make sure your hands are washed and everything so you're not messing up the taping part. I really don't know how good this tape is. Again, this is my first time using this. I'm a little nervous, but we're about to see. Okay, maybe I should face it y'all's way so y'all could. Hold on. I gotta do it this way. You want to make sure you try to get it as straight and centered as possible. If not, I'm pretty sure it's... Oh, this is so neat. Ah, look at it. I did it. There's Royalty's name on her box, her hand. It's pretty nice. Yeah, I would suggest, like, if you have color like this, to go ahead and get a translucent tape. You really don't need no designs. You don't want to be doing too much to your box. Again, there's this design right here. And then I have my wording. My lashes are currently $10. No, wait. Currently, my lashes are $12. I am doing a sale, and I will post another video about that soon. And again, this is Style. This is Royalty. And that's what she's looking like. She's so gorgeous. Isn't she? So that's what she will be looking like. My next style is Baddie. So we're going to go ahead. Turn your machine back on. It does shut off automatically. So I'm just going to hit my back button. Type in Baddie. And once I get more comfortable with this, I probably won't be as slow with it, because I am a good typer, y'all, just in case y'all like, she's slow. My settings on here are all caps. The style Baddie. So she's looking like very nice. I love it. And these are 3D minks, y'all. I think this is the 25. These are the 25 mm lashes. I'm sorry. You are able to wear these up to 25 times. If you wash and take care of your lashes, store them in a safe place. Yeah, we're going to go ahead, hit this little side piece right here, and it is the cutoff for your label. There we go. I'm going to go to the back, fold it a little bit, rip the backing off. Uh-oh, I'm getting it now. See? It only takes me like a second to get it. And I'm sorry, y'all. I work third shift, so y'all have to excuse me, because I came home and start working on this, because it was originally supposed to be done like 2 days ago, but it's my grandma passed last year, and yesterday was her 1 year that she's been away from me. So yes, honey, yes. Here's my label. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And ladies, if you are looking to start a business or have a business, these two. A label maker is something that you should think in investing in. Very useful. This is Style Candy Girl. It's her name. Did I just open it on the wrong side? No, I'm tripping. And that's what she's looking like. And again, this one is Candy Girl. My lashes are currently $12. I'm sorry. I am having a buy one get one free, so I'm trying to revamp my stuff. Like, I want everything done like sometime tonight. I'm getting ready for the sale. Can't tell you what the sale is. You can follow me on Instagram at the Divine Beauty HQ. I'll put everything in the description. And put the website in the description as well. And there it is. There's Candy Girl typed in. And I did use all caps in mine, but I like it like that. So, I mean, you can put it in how you want to. It's all up to you. But I like mine in all caps. And I have 5 different styles. And I will give y'all information on how I got my vendor for my lashes and everything. Well, I won't give you who my vendor is, but I'll give you some assistance on where to find a vendor. Yes, I finally have my label maker. I'm so excited, y'all, because like I didn't want to be rushing stuff, and because I still work a full-time job, so it did take me some time to get this label maker. Okay, so I'm on my next style, and this one is named Paris. Let me open that up. Yes, I think I like this one the best. And we're going to go ahead, type that in. Go ahead, print. And this is something that, I mean, you could save money by purchasing a label maker. I mean, sometimes your vendor may do it for free. Some of them may charge extra, but why pay somebody or, you know, any of that mess where you could really do it for free. Save you time and money. And sometimes you may get it, they might not spell the name right. Like, all types of crazy stuff. Don't nobody have time for that. Okay. Oh, did I just do that? Yes. Oh, wait. Yes, I did. Hold on, let me see if I can take this off. See, this is why. I'm going to just make another one. So I'll accidentally, up there talking, put it on the inside, which really don't matter. So I'm just going to go, this one will just have 2 labels on it. And this really don't take long at all. It's not even time consuming at all. It's really easier than what I thought, because I really don't like, I'll do my own, like, promotion. Like, I promote myself on Instagram, Facebook and stuff. So it's usually kind of hard due to my work schedule and my job. Like, later on I'll let y'all know what I do. And this is Paris, finally, the right way. And this is our last style. And this last style name is Exceptional. Yep. I don't know if you could really see that, but yes, that is it. So we're going to go ahead again, clear it out. And once you get used to it, I don't know, because it's not taking me long at all, but I mean, I have 100 boxes. I'm not about to label them all today. I know that. I'm getting sleepy. And then another thing is, before you print, always check your spelling. Because you might be typing, not saying that, anybody's dumb or anything, or, but you may miss a letter, type it fast or something. Just double check. Check it when you print it. After you label it. I'll print. You see, it does a good, I like this. And then again, just hit this side button right here, and it cuts it right off. See, I had to close my box before I did it. See what I did last time? Yeah. Oops. You just want to make sure everything is straight as possible, if you can. Try to center it. I really like it. Like, y'all, I'm excited. Like, yes. So this is a good investment for your business. Like, I've been needing this and I done waited so long, but yes, this is good. So again, I have 5 different styles of lashes that I renamed. This one is Exceptional. This one's named Paris. This is Baddie. This is Candy Girl. And this one is Royalty. Yes, I love it. I love it. So, go ahead, go to Walmart, Amazon. I just happen to be in Walmart, thank God, because it was in my cart, my Amazon cart. I just was taking forever, but went ahead. It wasn't that much. It was only about $18. Again, the tape, it did come with one tape, and it was the white tape. So you have different options to choose from. I did choose to purchase about 3 extra tapes, which is the translucent clear tape. And again, this machine is automatic. It turns off automatically, but you can turn it off yourself. It has different settings. Format is different. They have like borders. You are able to save your work. I don't know why it has this. It has a folder. Well, I gotta read up on it, y'all. But I was thinking, like, I'm gonna have to investigate more because I don't understand what that is right there. And this part, I don't know. This might be this part. I don't know. It's good. Either way it goes, I like it. It is a good investment. I love it. Very simple, very easy to use. It takes 4 AA batteries, so go out, purchase. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or anything, be sure to drop it in my comment section, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible with it. I will be starting to do more videos. Again, I have a sale coming up. You can follow me on Instagram at The Divine Beauty HQ. My website is thedivinebeautyheadquarters.com. Thank you. See y'all later, divas.